What's up guys, welcome to Domain Drive. Now this tool enables you to create and sell unlimited domains in any niche, in any domain extension, at any price you set. You can also monetize it with ads. That means selling hosting packages or website setup packages, website design, stuff like that. So you can use it with any domain extensions. That means Domain Drive can let you sell .com, .net, .org, .info, and anything and everything. You can see we have all of the TLDs included right here. You set your price and you can sell for as low as $1 and as high as $199, as you can see right here. Most importantly, you can use it for your own domains and skip paying GoDaddy or Namecheap as affordably as you want. And we also have an AI helper that helps you identify expired domains that would sell for a very, very high price. So that's also a good advantage to have. And this is how your shop will look like. So your customers just go here, they enter the domain name that they want, and then they select what extensions they want to register and just click search. We have a domain search, we have a domain generator in case they want to let the software, to let Domain Drive come up with domain name ideas for their businesses. And we have whois information, reverse IP lookup, domain location, and DNS lookup if they want to buy a domain that's already registered to somebody else, and you can broker that and get paid thousands of dollars for that. And as I said, we have an AI also that identifies expired domain names that can be very, very valuable, including 4-letter .com domain names, which can retail for millions of dollars.